right! I forgot to tell you something. So, about our cone, we forgot to talk about faces. Yes, it might look great as a funny nose, but we're not talking about that kind of face. We're talking about the sides. So, it has one flat side. That means it has one face. How many faces does a cone have? It's not a joke I'm asking you. It's a real question. How many faces does a cone have? One. Now, what about our cylinder? Does it have any faces? Yeah, it has two. One, two. Now, about our edges. Does this have an edge? Could something, oh look, a baby cone. Could something fall off of an edge? Yes, the cone has an edge. It better have an edge. It needs to keep my ice cream in there. Now, what about this? Does it have an edge? Does it? I mean, it rolls like kind of like a sphere, and it's kind of round. Does it have an edge? If it has faces, it has an edge. So, yes, here's our edge. It does look like a circle, but that's okay. It's still our edge. So yes, it has edges. Now, what about a corner, a vertex, some vertices? Do we have any of those? Check it out. Is there a corner on this? Does anything on this look like this? No. So the cylinders do not have corners. Now this one might be tricky. Does this have a corner? It has a point. Get my point? It has a point, but it does not have any corners. If it had corners, this would be like more of a square, and then we would have some corners. But our corners are where sides meet. And since our sides, or our one sides aren't meeting. I hope that makes sense. So we have one face on this one. We have two faces on this one. We have one edge on this one. We have two edges on this one. Do you see the similarities? One face, one edge, two faces, two edges. And then both don't have corners. So, or vertex. So I hope that helps. I'm going to get back to rebuilding my castle now. And